Come take a trip with me and my dad and our mules. Look at this. Just got me some brand new mani tarps. I didn't want the white ones. I picked this, they call it wood pile. I think it looks quite nice. Me and Dad, we're gonna pack up in the morning and go to the cross, cook us some breakfast up there, watch the scenery. It's about, 98 degrees right now, feels like 110. Supposed to have a shower tonight though. It's gonna cool it down quite a lot into the 80s, upper 80s. So in the morning we're gonna go eat us some breakfast. Right now I gotta mani up what we're gonna take. So I'm gonna bring you with me. Got everything loaded up. Got the manis, pack saddle. In the morning I'll locate and crash up and go saddle Dad's mule. We'll be heading out. We'll see y'all bright and early. Well, the plans kind of changed a little. It's gonna come a big thunderstorm, I think. What it's looking like. It didn't happen last night. And Mom already fixed us some breakfast sandwiches, so thanks, Mom. Because I don't think we're gonna have enough time to cook up there on the mountain, so that's coming at us. We're heading that way though.